the definition.
It's a system of arithmetic for integers where numbers wrap around and matching a certain value to the modulus.
Okay, so this modern approach was developed by Carl Friedrich Gauss. And the familiar use, so to understand better what modular arithmetic is, we have to apply it in real life. Okay, so what's the use of modular arithmetic in real life situation? For example, we have here clock. So when I say it's 9 a.m., and then when we say after 5 hours, what will happen? After 5 hours, what's the time after 5 hours? How did you find out? It's by adding, right? But why 2? Why 2? 9 plus 6 hours. In typical solving addition, 9 plus 5 or 6? 5. Sorry. We have short-term memory loss. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Since there's no 14 o'clock, have you seen 14 o'clock here? There is 14 is a happy line, but in the clock, the clock, it's only 12. Then after 12, we'll go back again to 1, right? That's modular arithmetic. So it helps us counting in loops. So instead of 14, we will go back to 1. So what's the equivalent? After 5 hours. So it's already 2 p.m. So later on, you will find out how to compute using the modular arithmetic. So do you want to explain another real life application? Here, I will read it for you. For example, calculating days of the week. You can use it in a calendar, like leap years and recurring patterns in calendars involves modular arithmetic because we do not continue counting up to how many, after 12 hours, 12 plus 12, may 24 o'clock, diba na yung certain for example, calendar, diba, hindi pa na padayon na. Ikakuan na, November 62. Ay, nga na, wala. Namubalik siya. So, muna siya yung concept of modular arithmetic when it comes to real life. So, let's find out how to solve it. So, the next reporter would be Ate Cessa. See?
Let K be any integer and let M be a positive integer. Then key modulo M, so you denote that integer remainder when key is divided by M. More exactly, key such that modulo M is the unique integer are such that muna expression key equals MQ plus R where R is greater than 0 and R is greater than 0 less than M. Kani si K mo na siya agka ng dividend. Kani si MQ mo na siya mamuha ka ng agka ng divisor na to. And R mo na si remainder. Niya kung dapat kani si K mahuha ay ka na integer yun na sila dapat ulit sa mga fraction ba na. If key, when key is positive, pwede na ka makadiretso divide. Hindi ka na si key divide Q. For example, ganit siya. 25 sa modulo 7 equals 4. Pwede siya largo mag 25 divide 7, 3. Ay ka na, 25 divide sa equals 3. Yung 3 times 7, 21. Yung remainder niya is 4. Yari ko, 25 divide 5. There's no less the remainder. 0 siya. Inari ko 45 divide 11. 4. Yung remainder is 1. Then modul 8 divide 11. Since ako man ang kanang divisor na to, punta siya automatic gate pero sa dito ang ganina sa base system. Okay. First lang ni produce ay 0 divide 5. 0 man siya. So, talaga po mo sa inagirin. Okay ra? Yes. Mangalang nugget na mo? Yes. So, let's go to the topic. Bago, hindi natin tanan, bago sa list na ako. So, balik na, let K be any integer and let M be a positive integer. So, need na ang M is a positive integer. So, K can be any integer. It can be positive and negative. So, ano din yung naman that R, ano man yung R, mauni siya ang greater. So, R is greater than or equal to 0 but less than M. Like, kaning M, mauni mo divisor. Kaning mo dividend. So, when K is a positive, simply divide K by M. So, muna yung ikuhat, kani ang imong K. Kani ang imong M. So, simply divide K by M. So, 25 divided 7 was 3. So, 7 times 3, 21. So, the remainder is 4. So, mauna ni siya. So, how about kung ang K is negative? Kaya diba, with any integer can be positive and negative. How about kung negative siya? So, examples when K is negative na. Negative 2 modulo 5 equals 3. Nga naman na siya. Or kani, negative 11 modulo 5 equals 4. Layo na siya tayo, no? Divide kung negative 11 divide 5. Dili dyan mo siya. Nawan kay 3 ba yung akong buot yung nauna. Pero sa akong na-search, taas siya ang method. Pero ay, wala ko kayo kung nabay ng buot na method. Pero ako lang i-share ninyo kung yun sa to siya. So first, wagi mo kaong number line. This is 0. So your K is negative 2. Your M is 5. So, ang ating namduman, when we say modulo 5, ang value na dyan niya is 0, less 5 minus 1. So, di ka na ka sa 0, hangtod 5 minus 1, which is 4. So, ang value na dyan mo, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Mauna dyan na yung mga possible values. So, magsugod ka sa 0. Butangan mo siya 0. Pagsakot ka. Kaya ano, increasing man positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balik na po galing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa pikas, magbinaliman ka pa negative 2 pagamay. Ang sa mga magsudan eh. 4. 1. So, tanaw mo na to. Negative 2. Tanaw ang negative 2. Ano siya na to no? 3. Ang 5. 0. Ito, 5. 0. Ay, nila, ang M din mo is 3. Hindi, 5. Ay, ang mo gamiton is 3. Kung may equal ba siya into 5? Hindi ko. So, ang imong 3, asa siya na to no? 3. So, parehas sila 3. Kung equal sila buha. Ang 3 ang remainder may iyan gamit. Kung equal, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? 1. So, 0, 1, 2. So, ang empty mo, minusan 1. So, kani, so, figure 6. So, bilangan siya. So, ano naman na yan? D, integer, sub, C. So, ilan may yung element? So, mag-start yan. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 versus out of 5 minus 1. Ano, 4 plus 2. Ano equal to 0 mo na siya? Ano po? 5 plus 4. Ano equals 3 man siya? Di ba? Kung na to ng 4 plus 2 equals 6. 7. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Remember na modulo of 6 siya. 6 divided 6 equals 0. Ano siya? 0. 1. Remainder man. Remainder there is no remainder. Sorry. 5 plus 4 bilang 9. Divide 6. 1. Remainder. 5 times 4. 20. 20 divide 6. 3. Remainder times 2. 18. Remainder is 2. So 4 times 3. 12. Divide 6. 2. The next topic will be all about prime and additive and multiplicative inverse.
Okay, co-prime. So the integers are said to be co-prime or relatively prime if they have no common factor other than 1 and negative 1. Or equivalently if their greatest common divisor is 1. For example, 6 and 45 are co-prime, but 6 and 44 are not because they are both divisible by 2. The number 1 is co-prime to every integer, yet 0 is co-prime only to 1 and negative 1. So for example, of co-primes, what is the factor of 3 and 5? 1. Okay, very good.
Additive inverse of the number 8 yields 0. This operation is also known as the opposite convert, sign change, and negation. For a real number, it reverses the sign. The opposite to a positive number is negative, and the opposite to a negative number is positive. So 0 is the additive inverse of itself. So for example, For example, 7. Ang additive inverse sa 7 is negative 7. Para mag-keep siya of 0. In modular arithmetic, the modular additive inverse of x is also defined. It is the number a such that a plus x is congruent to 0 modulo n. So for example, 3 plus x so 3 is a, then plus x congruent to 0 modulo 11. So you will going in additive inverse, you will going to find the value of x. So in finding the value of x, you will going to subtract 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 equals to 8. So 3 plus 8 equals 0. So di ba? 3 plus 8, 11. 11 divided by 11, 1. So there is no remainder, 1 and 0. Okay? Hindi na kailangan. Punta lang. Ano siya final answer?
Okay, may ito sa tanan. May tawon. Okay, sorry na punta sa multiplicative inverse. So what is multiplicative inverse? Can you read?
Reciprocal for a number x denoted by 1 over x, or x to the power of negative 1 is a number which when multiplied by x yields the multiplicative identity 1.
So it says that the multiplicative identity is 1. Kung sa additive, ito sa ito siya?
Zero.
Array is 1. Why? Ano man? So, reciprocal of the number x is denoted by 1x or x to the power of negative 1. So, for example, ang number name or of x is 5. So, mahimo na siya 1 over 1/5. 1/5 or 5 to the power of negative 1. So, if imo na siyang i-check, so 5 times kay multiplicative na multiply times 1/5 is equal to 1. Okay, 5 times 1, 5 or 1. And then, kung galing na siya sa 5 to the power of negative 1, equivalent mo na siya of 0.2 or 1/5. So, equal na siya 1. Maon ang 1 ang multiplicative identity. But take note, guys, nga ang multiplicative inverse is denoted by the formula A times the multiplicative inverse is congruent to 1 modulo n. So, n. So, for example, class, guys, so for example, the inverse of 3 modulo 11 is 4. So, the inverse ko na sa 3, so ang A mo is 3, the multiplicative inverse sa 3 mo nga number is 4. In modulo A, ang N mo is 11. So, the product ani divided sa imuhang N, ang remainder niya is 1. So, 3 times 4,
12.
divided by 11, 1 remaining 1. So, mo na. Naapoy 2. So, what is the multiplicative inverse? 1 in modulo 11.
Bilang ka na siya. So, una, 5. Mag-start ka o 1. Kung gawin sa bilangan, 1 plus 11. 12. 12 plus 11. 23. 23 plus 11. 34. Atong basayan kung naaba sila kung asa sa kutog na naay factor of 5. So 34 plus 11. 45. Factor na ba siya sa So 45 equals 5 times 8. 9. So your answer, your multiplicative inverse of 5 to 11 is 9. So nakagets mo?
Yes.
Ay, tira na nito. Asay na sa yun yung solution. Asay sa yun yung factor. About Euler's theorem. So, can you read? P of n is congruent to 1. So, basahan pa lang natin na walang kasabay ko. So, So, tanawan pa lang nato sa pagbasa. Mag-iso na dito kay bagong padol para nato. So, Euler's theorem also known as Fermat's Euler theorem or Euler's Shed theorem. So, sa manay state ani nga theorem. So, state that n and a are co-prime positive integers. So, ato yung tingnan ang a kuno ang n is co-prime. So, unsay pasabot og co-prime? 1 So, n and a are co-prime positive integers. So, dili siya pwede of negative. So, this symbol is we can read as P. P of n is congruent to 1 modulo n. So, kindly read. The theorem may be used to reduce the power to n. For example, consider finding a one-space decimal digit of 7 to the power of 222. Modulo 10. Note that 7 and 10 are co-prime, and P of 10 equals 4. So Euler's theorem yields 7 to the power of 4 is equivalent to 1 modulo 10. And we get kung unsaon kaya nato pag-find ani 7 to the power of 222 modulo 10. Ang ingani sa mga problem as pagbasa niyo 7 to the power of 22. What is the remainder of 7 to the power of 222 divided by 10? Una in simple, so hindi mo siya magkuha og 7 to the power of 222 modulo 10. So, di ba ang nagkuha na kung magtasatagsa ta 7 times mo pa 222. So, pinaagi sa Euler's theorem na si way na madali na nimo siya pag-solve. 1 to the power of 55. 1 to 1. So, 7 squared. 49. 49. So, 49 is congruent to 9 modulo 10. So, 49, di ba? Ligaway na siya. Ang gikan sa 222. So, 49 divide 10. 4 is 40. So, 49 minus 10, ay 49 minus 40, 9. So, the remainder is 9. So, magkuha ka ng example para mas nato masabdan. So, say that an m is element of natural number such that GCD of A and m is equal to 1. So, ato ito is congruent to 1 or equal to 1. So, ato ito hinungtungan nga dapat ko prime na siya or let's be prime. So, for example, number 1. So, 2 squared is congruent to 1 modulo 3. Sakto siya, dili. Sakto. 2 squared, 4. Divide 3, 1. The remainder is 1. So, manong 2 man ang iyang power ani. Pila ang p of 3? 2. Divide 3, prime, dili. So, automatic ang minus ng p of 2. Kani, modulo 7. 7 is prime or not? Prime. So, minus 1 by 3 to the power of 6. So, same na na siya. Ani. So, kani, ato na, buwayan din siya kung mapariha, ani. Mamay na to ang remainder. Or 3 times 4. 3 times 4. Natin po ba isa kay tulong ninyo when p is to the power of n. So, ang imong p na siya is to the power, for example, 2 words. So, to find the p of n, ang imong solution na is p to the power of n minus p n minus 1. For example, P of 100. Di ba ang 100 dako na kayo, no? So we can have 4 times 25. So ang 4 nimo ay ang prime factorization nimo pwede siya 2 squared times 5 squared. Diba 2 squared equals 4. 5 squared equals 3. 4 times 25 equals 100. So kani imong i-apply kay naman siya exponent. So 2 to the power of 2 minus 2, 1. Kay minus 1 lang siya. is divided by 36. So 30 to the power of 25 divided by 36. Atong sibagan kung saya remainder. So sa may unang buhaton? P1.
Ito ka ng P1.
Except, ang ginawa niyo mo number, so over mo siya. Di ba siya composite ko? Dili siya? Alright. Sunod yung buhaton, find the P of N. Or pila ka na itong N? 36. P of 36 equals, pila man? 36 times 60 word. Kung saan ay kapagbuhan na ito kung na word? Square times 1 square. 6 square minus 6 1. So 6 square is minus 6 30. Libog ba to? Kaya lang sunod nga sa loob ng is P of 2 word times 3 word. Kanina lang ang factor 4 and 9. 4 and 9. So, sa 2, P of kanina 2 squared minus 2 squared minus 1 times 3 So it was 13 to the power of 12. From 12 to 1. So sa Euler's theorem, mga ito niya itong hinumduman nga A, P of N, from 12 to 1, it is always 1. Modulo N. So nana tayo 1. So mana? So 13 to the power